Hi everyone. My name is Ankitha. I recently finished my internship in IT support program with Fortray, and I got a job in as an IT support assistant role in client earth company. I'm really happy working with Fortray internship program. They are very nice, and in every step they are with you. I really appreciate that thing because usually if you join in any consultancy, we feel like maybe we get onto the course and then we are done. But in Portray, it was not the thing. Every step they are with us, even if you're not attending the class or even if you're not doing anything, they're we were like asking what's the reason and doing daily help. That was very supportive, which I didn't even expected. But I'm really happy. Like I got a job which I want, and I did my training, the marketing, even the interview process. It's too good. Like they want everything to be done then and there. They want the 100% result, which is very good. During the mock interviews as well, they were very strict, which we sometimes feel a little bit irritated. But that's a good thing. Doing those mock interviews only, it helped me so much while giving interviews, and it helped me to crack the interview as well. The team is very good. I'm really thankful for everyone in the Fortray team. Now I joined with the thing like how will I get it or what to do. But I didn't believe myself till I received the offer letter. Overall, the Fortray team is very good. I'll suggest for everyone who are like about to go or change the career or get into some companies, and if they need a push up, Fortray is the best. Fortray Global Services Limited is the best. If I say, I suggest to everyone who is like want to change the career or do it. I'm so thankful and I'm so happy right now. Thank you, Fortray team.